Right now, as we have entered the high season of the holiday period, volatility is incredibly high due to, in part, due to decreased liquidity in the markets, but also due to the phase of the cycle we are in. So volatility brings up all sorts of suppressed fears and uncertainties in traders. And I want to talk to you a little bit about this today. The main point I want to drive home to you is that you cannot reason your way out of fear, out of insecurity, or indeed any other emotion. It's impossible, so you can't do it. The question, therefore, of course, is this: what do we do? When you see the Dow, as we've seen this morning on the open, move within 5 minutes over 70 points, it's tough. It's tough on the mind that is looking for reference points, as we have discussed in previous videos. If you haven't watched them, please do take the time to watch some of my other videos, because it will really give you a very good feel for what is going on, not only in your brain, but in your brain in connection with the environment around you, because everything is one. There is nothing that works in isolation and separate from anything else. So, okay, what can we do? Um, Emotions have to be faced. And when I say face an emotion, it means being with that emotion. Every single cell of your body is intelligent. It has got in it the blueprint of everything there is. Yet we insist on ignoring our body and just using the linear mind. I have said it many a time before, and really, at the danger of sounding boring, I cannot stress this often enough. Our problems come from using the linear mind. We go out, we do market profile, we do any kind of other analysis, and we come to the market with an idea. It's long, it's short, it's sideways. To get out of this purely linear thinking, you need to get into what I call the whole body perspective. And to that end, I have done a series of meditations. Please check them out on the product page on my website, thebuddhisttrader.com, because if you do these meditations every day, I promise you they really, really will help you with all the material I'm spending a lot of time here explaining to you, in the hope that you are getting it. So being with our emotions is key. And when I say being with our emotions, I mean getting out of the judgment, out of the dualistic mind. That's what it's all about. Um, you can do that through meditation. You can do that by being still, centering yourself, going within, asking yourself questions like, what am I not perceiving? What am I reacting to? What is the mind? What is Mercedes' mind reacting to? Sometimes talking to yourself in the third person, it's something that is used in certain hypnosis techniques, can be very, very helpful. So, because you are moving away from personalizing everything. One of the reasons why we have problems with our emotions is because we personalize them. We think we are our emotions. No, we are not. You are not your emotions. Your emotions are at that conditioned part of you that makes you react to something as if it were a real, as if it were absolute, and therefore unchangeable. None of this is true. It is a giant, giant, huge, massive illusion we have all fallen prey to. It's an evolutionary piece of our existence, which the world at large is beginning to let go of. That in part is why we are experiencing so much volatility and so many other things, all around us. So in the markets, when it's volatile, when it's unclear, when it is too fast for you, and you notice there is very little liquidity in the market, stay out. Stay out. You are making money by staying out. You do not have to force yourself into a trade. I cannot say it often enough. Your emotions cannot be reasoned away. They have to be embraced. They have to be nurtured and understood at the innate level. So, and this is what I am teaching the traders who work with me. It is what I teach in my 8-week online course, which incidentally comes with a one-on-one session at the end of it with me, which is hugely helpful. So please do look at these things to help you with the practical side of things, because the more you immerse yourself into the teachings, the more you will learn how to apply these things in practical terms in your everyday trading. Because I can sit here and talk to you until I'm blue in the face, no pun intended, wearing a blue scarf, but ultimately it's about you taking what I am teaching you from the intellectual understanding into your life, making it your own, using it, finding a way of using it in the markets, in your daily trading, in your investing. Okay, enough said for now. Please go to thebuddhisttrader.com and check out my blog, check out my product page. And if you do like this video, please share it with others, because that's how I can spread my word. It's the only way really I can spread my word, relying on you to share what you are watching and hearing. Thank you.